Okay, so another one of the input modes on the ElectraStim AXIS is the pulse pattern. So this is 2 of the 7 different modes that you can enter. You simply do that by pressing the mode button. It will go across from the wave mode to the pulse mode, and it will select the first of 12 different built-in patterns. So you can cycle through the patterns. This one here is just showing a slow synchronous pulse. You can scroll through and select any one of 12 different patterns, and you'll also notice some more information on the screen. This is because I've been into the configuration menu and enabled the nerd mode, so you can now see a little bit more timing information and frequency, just for those that want to know a little bit more about what's going on. And I've also muted the beeper function as well, so now it's totally silent operation. So very simple, just one button to scroll through the menu, find the one you want and let it self-select, and it will do whatever pattern you've selected it to do. Okay, so that's a quick run through of the ElectraStim AXIS pulse pattern features.